In this AnKing video, I'll be troubleshooting some of the common errors that I've seen with the AnKing Overhaul. And if you look in the description, I'll put in a time code for these. But the first will be how updating works. If you understand it, it will allow you to troubleshoot your own problems. How to confirm the card types so that everything is correct before you do it. How to fix incorrect card types if you're importing something that's happened a lot. If check database deletes cards, this has happened a few times for people. I believe we've solved the problem, but I'll throw that in there if it's happened to you. And then if all else fails, if you're really not being able to do it, I did come up with a solution that I think will work for most people. So here we go. Okay, first I'm going to explain to you how this works, and here's what I've been using to test this. So here's a card I've made that just says original on everything. That's an AnKing Med type. Here's an AnKing Sketchy. They all say original. Now note here that they were last changed on June 9th. I'm going to go into a separate profile here where I have the exact same card. I just changed the text so that it says new instead of original. Okay, so and the tag as well. Now this one was on June 10th, and I'm going to show you what I did. So this is the more recent update. This one was June 9th. It's still the original card where I just changed the text. What I'm going to do is change the note type from AnKing Sketchy to AnKing Sketchy. So I'm not actually changing it, but I'm doing that anyway. And what happens is now this is on 610. So what happened is this deck is now more recent. So when it imports over the other deck, it should update to whichever field is the more recent. So let's go back to this one here. And I've already done this and exported it right here. Now keep in mind, everything here is original and original. But one thing that was developed for this project was the special fields add-on. So I'm going to show you how that works. I'll go into view files here. Just into the main file. Now it is protecting these four fields, the Pathoma, the Boards and Beyond, the RX, and the Lecture Notes fields. Those are going to be protected. And it is not combining the tagging. It's going to update the tagging. Okay, so I'm going to show you what happens when we do that. So let's import this in here. And it says we found them, we updated them. Okay, and it's showing like we updated to the new one because this was newer, right? So basically everything should say new on it except those few fields that we protected with the special fields add-on. Now see, here's those four fields that were protected, so they all stayed original. We didn't combine tagging, so it just updated it to the new tag. Had it combined it, you would see two tags here. And there we go. See, these two here are also protected. These ones were not. So that's kind of the gist of how it works. I just want to make sure that you understand how it's working. Okay, now I'm going to do the second part here where we confirm card types. You need to make sure everything is the same card type, because if it's not the same card type, Anki will basically just skip it. So here's how you do it. Everything in LOL Not a Cop and Zonky Farm needs to be the AnKing Sketchy type. Everything in the Zonky Step decks needs to be the AnKing Med card type. So here's how you confirm it. What you're going to do is click on LOL Not a Cop, and then you're going to command or control. Well, they should be AnKing Sketchy, so we're going to try and find out if there's any that are wrong or if they're AnKing Med. So you're going to command or control click AnKing Med. Now I'm going to give you a little disclaimer here. I made these 9 cards, so if you're starting from the beginning, then you won't actually have these 9 cards. These will import when you get the overhaul. But these cards I would just leave as AnKing Med. That was a mistake on my part, but I'm going to leave them there. But there's nothing else, so that's good. So now we're going to do Zonky Farm. We're going to do the same thing. They shouldn't be AnKing Med, so we're going to check and see if there are any. So command or control click AnKing Med, and there are. There's actually 2 cards here that should not be AnKing Med, and that's wrong. These are both in the Zonky Farm deck, and if you click cards here, you can confirm they are the AnKing Med type, which is incorrect. So we're going to select both of them and change them to the AnKing Sketchy type. And now you're going to do the same thing with the Zonky Step decks. Now the Zonky Step decks should not be they should all be the AnKing Med type. There shouldn't be any that are AnKing Sketchy. So we're going to command or control click AnKing Sketchy and nothing shows up. So that means everything is correct. So that's how you're going to confirm your cards before you actually import the new overhaul if you're following along with the updating video. Now I'm going to move on here to the third step if you have incorrect card types. Now let me show you here. I previously had a card type like this. Let's go. There we go. Where it said for reference lecture. I changed this, and when you import the card name right here, AnKing Med and AnKing Sketchy, and the fields have to be identical. They have to be named identical. And the current version, it says lecture notes here. So this whole deck is incorrect, and I'm going to show you what happens if we were to import the current deck with this. Import the correct card types. So it's going to add these. This is just from the Google Drive, and I'll show you what happens. Now we have an AnKing Med with random digits after it and an AnKing Sketchy with random digits after it. Now these are the correct card types. So what happened is, because there was already a card type with the exact same name but the fields didn't line up, see, this is what it should be. It should say lecture notes. It just added a bunch of digits after. So this is now the correct card type. So if you import the overhaul and you get a card that is different than this, that has numbers and letters after it, what you want to do is take this note type and convert all of it into the AnKing Med with the numbers after it, because that is now the correct note type. So we'll do that now, and everything should update to that. So now everything is in here and not here. You'll do the same thing with AnKing Sketchy, and then you're going to go to the add here and click on the card type and click manage. And now we want to delete this note type because it's incorrect. So I'm going to delete it. And then this note type, we need to rename it, because like I said, the note type name has to be exactly the same or it won't import correctly. So we're going to rename it to just close AnKing Med. And again, you do the same thing with AnKing Sketchy. And once you've done that, you can go, like I showed you with the date changed thing. These cards are now newer, so we need to switch back to the AnKing Overhaul like we had done before, and there's the step where you need to make cards newer. Well, we just changed the note types on my deck, so now you need to go back, change these note types back to the AnKing Med and these note types to AnKing Sketchy, re-export it, and then import it back in to the incorrect card type profile that we were working on, and everything should line up. So make sure you do that with both the note types. Make sure when you import the AnKing Overhaul, you should not see any numbers or letters after it. And that should solve most people's problems. Now, there was a problem with, if we check database, it would actually delete some cards. Now see, mine just says rebuilt and optimized, but it may pop up here and say deletes cards. That was a problem with the special fields add-on that has been fixed as of June 10th, 2019. So if you had special fields before then you need to download it again. But what you would want to do is just go in here to the AnKing Sketchy, AnKing Med types, and just convert all of AnKing Med into AnKing Med, and then do the same thing with AnKing Sketchy, and it will fix that problem with check database deleting flashcards. Now the last thing I'll go over is, if for whatever reason you cannot, like I showed you where I can click here and click here to see if there's any notes that are incorrect. If you've moved cards around from deck to deck and it's impossible for you to get them to the correct note type, what I would do is convert your entire collection to just AnKing Sketchy, or you could do AnKing Med, but just choose one card type, convert them all to AnKing Sketchy. Then go into the AnKing Overhaul as described in the updating video. And this one, I have everything as one of the two, but if you chose AnKing Sketchy, then I would just take everything and convert all of it, or take all the AnKing Med cards and convert them all to AnKing Sketchy, so that everything is just one card type. That's kind of if all else fails, then just convert them all to just one type. And you would need to do that for future updates. If you do ever have problems with anything, you can go to Preferences, Backups, open the Backup folder, and then you can see your backups and you can restore your collection to that if you were to ever have problems. So hopefully those will help you troubleshoot some things on your own. Thanks for learning with the AnKing. Be sure to subscribe to our channel as well as follow us on Instagram and Facebook for daily tips and tricks at AnKingMed. Also, here's the email if you have any questions or suggestions for new videos.